Good afternoon, guys. Welcome to our new lecture, lecture 14. Even and odd signal. Even function x of t, x of minus t, x of n is equal to x of minus n. This time reflection standard. Example, use the example graph x of minus t cos 2 pi of t minus t, cos 2 pi minus f t, cos 2 pi f t. So this x of t is equal to x of minus t. So the odd function, so odd function. So x of t is equal to x of minus t. X of n is equal to x of minus n. Example, is the sample waveform. So x of this t start from here and end from here. The graph and where x of t equal to x of minus t. So the condition of x of 0 is equal to x of 0, think it zero. Elimination of whole function. So this is the graph of whole function. So to check x of t is equal to x of minus t. Minus will be obviously in the left side because x of t should be in right side because it is positive and x negative t so it will be like this. So both are not equal. So it's not even. Check x of t equal to x of minus t. It's a condition where it's not satisfying. So it is not over. Plus the function which is neither even or not nor odd. This is the graph x of 0 is equal to 0, x of 0 not equal to 0. It cannot be an odd function. So minus 3 minus 2 minus 1 1 2 3 is not equal to this x of minus. Not even function also, so the function is not even or odd function. Even function x of t plus odd function, even function x of t 1 by 2 x of t plus x of minus t, odd function x of t 5 by 2 x of t minus x of minus t. Verifying the above. For u of n, find the given part u of n, given part of u of n plus u of minus n by 2. It's a graph of u of n. So minus 5 minus 5 minus 3 minus 2 minus 2. It's the graph. Odd part graphs u of n minus 5 minus 4 minus 3 minus 2 minus 2. It's a minus 5 minus 3 minus 2 minus 1. It's a graph minus 4 minus 3 minus 2 minus 1. It's the graph. So this we obtained by adding these two, first and second. So when we add first and second, we got this graph. So as we do, please do like, comment, share, subscribe.